Are you tired of submitting academic papers and journals filled with errors? Look no further. Our ultimate guide to perfecting academic papers and journals in 2024 is here to help you. Having your work published in academic journals is a significant accomplishment, but even the most groundbreaking research can be overlooked if it's riddled with mistakes. That's where proofreading comes in. Proofreading is more than just fixing typos and grammar errors. It's about ensuring clarity, coherence, and consistency throughout your writing. It's about presenting your ideas in the best possible light. Our team of experienced proofreaders specializes in academic writing and knows the ins and outs of various style guides and formatting requirements. We will meticulously review your work to ensure it meets the highest standards of quality. Don't let simple mistakes undermine your hard work. Let us help you perfect your academic papers and journals so that your research can shine. Contact us today to learn more about our proofreading services. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on academic writing.